Well, it was tight Friday night, but huge 3 points for Wales. What's been the reaction since? What's the feeling since that game?
Yeah, I think we're a bit frustrated by the performance, but I think at the end of the day, the most important thing was the 3 points, and we got that. So we understand that we need to create that winning mentality. It felt like a moment that we can really build off, and yeah. We obviously, in an ideal world, we'd love to perform amazingly well, win by a few goals, but at the end of the day, 3 points is 3 points, and yeah, we move on to the next one and try to improve again.
Is it frustrating? Because before the game, people say it's a must-win. You win, and they still complain. Is it frustrating in that situation?
Yeah, in a way, but we understand the frustration. We expect a lot of ourselves, so yeah, it was a frustrating evening. But as you said, we got the job done. We did what we needed to do, and yeah, I think for us now we need to create that winning mentality, that momentum to go into the next games, and yeah, we've got that, and we need to keep going.
When it's 1-1 with a few minutes to go, what goes through your mind? Are you looking at the clock? Are you tensing up? How hard is it just to stay focused on what you need to do?
Yeah, obviously you have a little glance at the clock now and again just to see how long's left, because yeah, we ultimately had to win that game. But yeah, I don't think we ever tense up. We know, we're confident in what we're going to do, what we've been training for. So it's just when that opportunity does arrive, we have to be clinical, we have to be ruthless, and yeah, luckily enough for us on the other night we were able to do that.
Is it still a great feeling when you do score for Wales, especially when it's a winner in a qualifier?
Yeah, no, for sure. Especially with such a massive moment. It felt a little bit like the Andorra moment away from home in the last Euro campaign. So yeah, winning games brings momentum, and that's one thing now we need to keep building on, and we need to really push forward. The
manager said it was frustrating, maybe didn't stick to the game plan. Is that a fair comment, do you think?
Yeah, obviously we've gone through parts of the game in our debrief sessions. So yeah, there are certain parts that we've done well, but other parts that yeah we've been a bit kind of frustrated with. But yeah, it's about learning quickly. We have another game now. We know it's a friendly, but it's another chance for us to work on things. And as I said, even though it's a friendly, we need to win. We need to keep that winning momentum, that winning feeling, that winning mentality to take into the next Euro qualifiers.
Frustrations could be because the potential in this squad is huge. We've had a glimpse, say, against the Republic of Ireland, that amazing performance, the start against Slovakia. How hard is it to replicate those sort of intense performances? Yeah,
it is difficult. Otherwise, yeah, we'd be already qualified probably. So, no, we understand it's difficult, and yeah, we have a lot of youngsters who are being integrated into the team, which is not easy as well. So yeah, it's stuff we're working on hard in training. We've had a great week's training this week, and we spoke to the manager. We need to maybe take that more into the game now, and I think, as you said, winning breeds confidence as well. So hopefully we can keep winning and push that confidence more into the matches, and you'll see better performances and better results as well.
We love looking at dates and anniversaries. It's the anniversary of your first goal for Wales back in 2006. It was yesterday, actually. Looking back, Joe, how little did you know about international football in those early days? How quickly do you need to learn about international football?
I didn't know too much, to be honest. I just kind of looked at football as you go on a pitch and play a game. But yeah, the more you play, the more you really understand how different international football is, and all the other kinds of football are. So yeah, something I learned very quickly, and obviously we were lucky enough to learn from a young age, and yeah, we've been able to use now our experience for a number of years. It helped us qualify for the Euros last time, and yeah, we got close to the World Cup, not quite, but yeah, we're now in a stage that we really all need to use our experience, especially to help the youngsters to give them the experience to push on to qualify for this campaign and others in the future.
That's what I was kind of going with it, because people expect the youngsters to hit the ground running. They look at Ethan Ampadu and the likes of him, and Dan James, and just think they're going to tear international football apart. It's obviously not that simple, so they're obviously learning as well, I guess. Yeah, no, of course. We spoke about the start of the campaign. We had a kind of little recap of what we did in the last campaign that we qualified, to give ourselves some good vibes, I guess. And yeah, it's difficult, and there's a reason why we've only qualified actually properly once in our history. So yeah, it's not easy. We need to try and pass on our experience as much as we can, and we're trying our best to do that. And yeah, hopefully, as well as passing on our experience now, they can help others in the future as well. Also, big games tomorrow night as well. Croatia, great result for them the other night. But we're also seeing, again, we talked the other day how tight this group is. So looking back, people can talk about the performance, but those 3 points, when you look at the group table, just meant everything, I guess, for Wales.
Yeah, definitely. We're only 3 points off top, so and there's pretty much there's still another round of games to go. So yeah, we have the belief that we can still qualify. We're in touching distance. No one's run away from us, which is good news. Ideally, we would like some results to go our way, but I think our destiny is still in our own hands. If we win every game, we should finish in the top 2 and be able to qualify. So yeah, we're going to go into every game giving our all, with our fans behind us like normal, and yeah, we'll give everything we can to give them hopefully another major tournament to go to.
Absolutely. Just finally, we hear a lot that it's hard in international football because you don't meet up so often for the manager, coach and stuff, so I guess Belarus is a valuable experience, I guess. 90 minutes for the manager, for the youngsters, just another more minutes on the pitch.
Yeah, definitely, and it's we're still working on a few things as well, which I think, yeah, it's nice to do in training, but you can never replicate an actual game. So yeah, as much as a friendly maybe not mean the world to everybody, it means a lot to us. We have a lot of things to work on, and as I said, we still want to create that winning mentality. We want to win the game, we want to play well. We have things that we need to improve on. So yeah, it'll be a good test for us, especially at home in front of our own fans, to really show what we can do and get to the next level of our performance.
Brilliant, thanks for your time, good luck.
Okay, thank you.